In this video, I will teach you how to recover your Duolingo streak. So if you lost your streak, I will show you the solution what you need to do. First of all, you need to open the Duolingo app and click the shop icon. After that, you need to find streak freeze or streak repair option. So if you missed a day, Duolingo often gives you a chance to repair your streak using gems on your mobile or lingots on desktop computer. If you want to prevent losing your streak again, buy a streak freeze in advance. So pay with gems or lingots, confirm your purchase, and your streak will be restored. Keep practicing daily. Do at least one lesson per day to maintain your streak. There are also some tips. A streak freeze only protects you from one missed day. Set reminders to keep practicing. You can't recover a streak if too many days have passed without using the app. And also guys, if you have got the paid subscription, Duolingo Plus, Super Duolingo, so subscribers may get extra streak repair options. So that's how you can recover your Duolingo streak. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.